Welcome to Biton token, empowering tomorrow's crypto revolution. About Biton. AS blockchain technology seeps further into almost every industry. In the world, from government to supply chain to energy and entertainment. There's more to come from the same. Biton is an open-source platform for all-in-one Bitcoin and crypto community. It provides multiple crypto wallets with cryptocurrency education in desired outlook. In the unstable world, for earning point of view, it's very helpful for stable source of income. What is smart contract? Smart contracts are one of the most useful tools associated with blockchain, and they can enable the transfer of everything from Bitcoin and fiat currency to goods transported around the world. The blockchain is then updated when the transaction cannot be changed, and only parties who have been granted permission can see the results. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital ledger of transactions. Each transaction is verified peer-to-peer computer network. If once you recorded data can't be altered on it, each block in the chain contains with large no of transaction. Every time a new transaction occurs on the blockchain. Our vision: to be the most desirable global destination of investment solutions and most diversified crypto utility platform. Our company purpose: to maximum benefit of investors to every countries. It's such a huge group to join. Our mission: create a self-sustainable and financially free global community that inspire and motivates others to live a truly fulfilled life, to create a platform that helps common men leverage the tool and strategies to build financially healthy life. Our mission is to bring maximum benefit to all those small investors so that they can become self-dependent and become independents too. Your access to financial sovereignty: key facts: first, hardware wallet; second, 8-inch HD touch screen; third, 3 GHz with 6 core processors; fourth, portal for digital investments; fifth, no KYC required, holder and owner; sixth, direct access to the decentralized CBNT exchange. In addition, first, each token is a CBNT masternode. Second, mining function, daily mining of CBNT. Third, additional masternodes possible. Fourth, CBNT can be used as platform for tokens. Why you choose US? First, worldwide accepted currency CBNT, the worldwide accepted cryptocurrency. We also call it the best money in the world. Second, safe and secure platform. This system is 100% safe and secure. And this is the risk-free platform. Third, instant payment. The payment is fully automatic and instant. Fourth, 100% decentralized worldwide opportunity. Categories of income: first, NON working, 2x, second, working, for x, direct team, 3-leg, 5x, business compulsory. Biton token distribution. Tokenomics: first name, Biton; second, symbol, CBNT; third, token supply, 1.1 million; fourth, technology, BEP20. Package: $50 multiple types of income. First, referral bonus; second, staking dividend; third, level incentive; fourth, royalty rewards. Bonanza offer: get 1% company turnover on business of $10 CR. Terms and conditions: first, payout distribution. ROI is in the form of USDT. Second, the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Third, members can request withdrawals 24/7, and withdrawals will be processed within 24 hours. Fourth, members are responsible for maintaining the security of their account credentials. Fifth, payouts will be credited to the participant's account on a daily basis. Sixth, ROI withdrawal, BEP20 in USDT or CBNT token. Seventh, whole process is working only in CBNT token. Thank you.